Hello and welcome back to my channel, Elemental Face Yoga with Polina. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an effective and energizing morning face yoga routine to help you depuff, lift and wake up your face naturally so you can start your day looking and feeling refreshed, radiant and sculpted. This routine focuses on stimulating lymphatic drainage through gentle tapping around the face, deep breathing, and also includes toning exercises that boost circulation, release tension, and help create a glowing appearance and that lift and tone. And I know that in the mornings we don't always have time much for self-care, but this quick routine is perfect to do while you're applying your skincare. You can easily fit it in between different layers of your skincare products, and it only takes a few minutes, so it makes a world of difference. So make sure you've got a mirror in front of you, take a deep breath, and let's wake up your face together. Come and join me. Let's start with a moment of grounding and connection by taking a deep breath in through the nose, closing the eyes. Exhaling, softening your facial features, releasing tension in your shoulders and neck. One more time, deep breath in, connecting to your face, connecting to your breath. And exhaling, releasing, letting go of tension. Opening the eyes. Let's start with waking up the whole face with the lymphatic drainage massage. Our fingertips will start at the top of our forehead. We'll create outward palms all the way out to the hairline. And we'll draw the same line through the center of the forehead from the midsection out towards the hairline. And then here over the eyebrows, pumping the hands gently outwards in a rhythmic motion. Come over the temples, do a few pumps here, keep your face relaxed. Now start on the cheekbones. So we're covering the upper cheek section from the side of the nose all the way out, pumping the lymph out to the channels, from the nostrils outwards, deep breath in and out. From the mouth corners, gentle rhythmic motion, all the way out to the edges of the face. Inhaling and exhaling. And now from the chin all the way out through the jawline to the earlobes. Here the earlobes pump downwards. And then pump down through the neck, side of the neck, all the way down to the collarbones, and here drain. Take your index fingers, position them just above the eyebrow and tap all around the top of the eyebrows. Short, quick taps. Make sure that they're quite firm. This is our depuffing technique, coming down to your temples and then puffing down and around the cheekbones, all the way through the center, all the nose, all the way back out. And again, deep breaths. Helps us to depuff and brighten our eyes. Finish here at the inner corners of the eyes, apply a little press. And then take the paths from the mouth corners through the nasolabial folds to the nostrils. And again, from the mouth corners over the lines of folds on both sides to the nostrils. Inhale, exhale. And then here from the chin outwards, all the way along the line of the jaw, just on top of the bone, to the earlobes. Inhaling, exhaling. Good. Release your hands down. Now strengthening and lifting move for the eyes. We're going to position a V hold on the eyes like so. Look straight ahead. Now squint with the lower eyelids. Squeeze up under the eyes and release. Squeeze up and release. Feel the muscles under the eyes contract. Even shake a little bit as we're starting to work the muscles now. Having depuffed and brightened, now working and strengthening the muscles under the eyes. Forehead relaxed. Last two. Last one. Good. Release, relax the arms down, take a deep breath in and out. Now waking up our cheeks, we're going to take our hands on the side of the face, pull back now so that the face feels just gently stretched. Then from here create an O shape with your mouth. From that O shape, lift the mouth corners up to the temples, creating a smile shape with your cheeks. Keep your lips wrapped in, come back to an O shape. And back to smile shape. We'll do this 10 times. Slowly release, take a deep breath in and out. Now puff the cheeks full of air, cover your mouth with your hand and tap on one side. Switch. And release. Now tightening and lifting across the jawline, we're going to wrap the lips in together. Now create the lift with the mouth corners up to the temples, engaging your cheeks. Smooth out any lines on the sides and tilt the head back. Hold this. Slowly release down, relax. Again, another breath in and out. Now let's take our fingertips down onto our collarbones, tilt our head back, stick the tongue out between the lips, reach it to the top of your nose and start to pulse the tongue up. Slowly bring the tongue in, release the head down. And then from here, take your hands, interlace the hands behind you, and then lift your heart and your chest up. Draw the head back. Stick the tongue back up again towards the nose. And breathe. Release, come back to center, opening the heart and the chest with that stretch. And now we'll finish our workout with pinching with our fingers on the neck, all the way from the base through the sides of the neck, under the chin, over the jawline, pinching into the muscle, creating beautiful rosy glow and that awake feeling and sensation in the face, all the way over the cheeks. Onto the temples. And then gently over the brows. Good. Then draining this all down again to the neck and finishing up. Thank you for watching this video and doing this video with me. Hopefully your face feels awake, refreshed, lifted, and you're ready to start the day with confidence and positive energy. And if you enjoyed this morning face yoga routine, please give this video a like. And also, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel to receive videos from me on how to age naturally and gracefully. And I'd love to hear your feedback on how your face feels after this workout. This type of morning sequence is also part of my 21-day face yoga transformation program, where I share a complete program for lifting, toning, and rejuvenating your entire face using strengthening, massage, and relaxation techniques. If you'd like to learn more about it and what kind of transformation it can offer you, simply follow the link in the description below. All the details are there. Have a lovely day today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.